Yesterday, I had 4 dogs in this house. 3 of them shed. One of them was a golden retriever, I'm just gonna be honest. I also had 6 people in my house, including an infant. So it's time to run the Roomba. Look at that. You can see the hair on top of the Roomba.
Cleaning is starting now.
Oh, let's go. You got some serious work to do, little man. So sorry, but also thank you. So that guy holds so much stuff, by the way. I haven't even checked it in weeks, and I'm still confident it's gonna be going strong. And this guy will clean this whole area, which is gonna be fantastic. You'll know it like maps itself out and it doesn't like bump into walls. Look at that. Swivel, pivot, pivot. And there it goes. And also, it doesn't bother my dogs. Look at Duncan's like, sure, whatever. It's fine. There he goes. Highly recommend if you got dogs, kids, or just, you know, a messy like myself. Look at that. Did you see how he maneuvered? Oh, let's go. Good job. Oh my.
Document update complete.
And
Recalibrating location to continue cleaning.
impressive.